everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Hey everyone! I normally do projects and tutorials on this channel, but Michaels put out their $10 mystery grab boxes, so I'm opening my last box, box number 2, to see what they have in them. If you missed box number 1 that I opened yesterday, here is the link. I was only going to buy one box, but in the store, I could see through this hole here, what looks like a metal Christmas tin of some sort, so I had to bring this one home with me as well. Let's get started. Here is the first thing from the box. It's a sticker sun catcher kit. This looks like a fun little kit. Next, we have 2 Frosty the Snowman advent calendars. I found a couple advent calendars in the last box as well, and I was surprised that they're good until 2026. Here is the tin that I could see through the side. That was the whole reason I wanted this particular box. I like it, it's cute. I'll definitely use this one at Christmas. Next up are 3 Christmas gift bags. Oh, perfect. To go with the gift bags is a 36 pack of tissue paper. This cute little Make Market reindeer is the next thing out of the box. This is supposed to light up. Let's check. And it works great. We have some ribbon here. These are both jumbo 80-foot rolls of gold sparkly ribbon. These cost way more than the entire box did. I found 2 of these same ones in my last box as well, so I'm really stocked up now. There is 1 more of these jumbo rolls of ribbon, and this one is red and sparkly. Next is this pack of Sweet Tooth Fairy Christmas sprinkles. I buy sprinkles like this every year, so it looks like I won't have to next year. Here is another Sweet Tooth Fairy bag. This one is a candy mix. Let's check the back. And the best before date on this one is 2025. I didn't know that these things kept so long, so I'm learning a lot today. This one is a 6-foot string of Ashland LED crafting lights. I like these. These would be good any time of the year. Next, we have 2 of these Christmas light up necklaces. There are a few items here for the kids. There is a Creatology ornament frame kit, which makes 12 ornaments. This one is a rainbow loom bead emoji bead bracelet kit, and it looks like it comes with some little charms. This is a cute one. Now, it looks like there is a lot of ribbon in this box. There are 2 different sizes of these nice gray ribbon with a stitched edge. This box is definitely worth it for me, because I would have absolutely bought these if I saw them in the store. There are a few different 20-foot plaid rolls here. If I don't use these for Christmas crafts next year, I can always use them for bows when I'm wrapping gifts. And lastly, for the ribbon, we have 2 packs of this thin gold ribbon, and both of these are 108 feet. Moving on, there is this lovely mint green spatula. I am a big fan of this color. Also from the baking section, there are 2 packs of these Sweet Tooth Fairy sprinkles. They are both the same and come with 4 different styles of sprinkles. There are 3 packs of Christmas-shaped canvases, and each one has 2 canvases per pack. That'll be a nice little Christmas project on a cold day. Next up is this Ashland 10-inch swirl tree skirt. Oh, and we have a few more things for the kids. This one is a glow party pack with some glow sticks. And this one is a winter baton. Let's see if it lights up. It looks like it does. And now we're getting to the little odds and ends. Next is this little box of a 15-foot Brother satin ribbon. There are 3 packs of ornament hooks. 1 more light up necklace. This time it's a peppermint candy cane one. There is a squishy Santa sensory toy. 2 mini Ashland gold tree ornaments. This little gingerbread man. 2 Creatology embroidery Christmas sticker packs. 1 blank wooden ornament. I like this one. I'll definitely personalize it with my Cricut. There are 2 Ashland picks to add as an accent to a vase or a project. Here's a little jar of Tester's enamel. The clearance price tag is covering the sticker, so I'll have to check and see what material this one is used for. If you happen to know, you could also leave me a comment and let me know. Okay, now I hope you're ready for these last things. There is one tulip chisel tip fabric marker and one random pencil crayon. You really can find anything in these boxes. Well, there you go. This is everything I found in my Michael's Grab box. I only paid $10 for this box, but if I had purchased everything individually, it would have cost me well over $100. So I'm pleased with this purchase. Michael's puts these boxes out only a few times a year, and they always include clearance items and odds and ends that didn't sell at full price. Some of the things in here were really good, like the sprinkles or this ribbon. Other things, like the random pencil crayon, not so much. But overall, I'm happy with what I found in here, and I know I'll buy another box or two the next time I see them. If you pick up one of these boxes, let me know in the comments below what you find in yours. Well, thanks for watching, and in the next video, this channel will be back to the usual tips, tricks, and tutorials on all things Cricut.